السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.
Arab king of cars because he owns 3,000 cars and one plane.
My name is Hamad and I love the off-road car.
In the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, we saw a museum that looks like a pyramid. And inside of that museum, we saw some of the most unique cars in the world. And all of these cars are owned by one person. This guy, Hamad. He is a retired military man who loves cars. So he spent decades buying, building, and modifying cars. And then he put them under one roof, his museum in Abu Dhabi, where you can find the biggest Dodge car in the world. It's so big, it has 3 bedrooms inside of it, a living room, and a master bedroom. Did you see this? What? It's a bedroom inside a car.
Oh, they are, eh?
Come check out the master's bedroom.
And yes, if you're wondering, this car can drive on the road. He also built a 6x6 Nissan jack-up car.
The only one, jack-up car.
It's the only one that has a jack up like this.
Yeah, jack-up. It's lifted 1 meter.
What? This is crazy.
That he drives in the desert. He built a trailer shaped like planet Earth with 9 bedrooms inside of it. He built the smallest rainbow car I've ever seen. The only Nissan car with the same door on all sides. A GMC tire that is so big it can float on water. A Mercedes with 4x4 jumbo wheels. A US military Jeep which he turned into the biggest legally owned 4x4 on the street, a real New York yellow taxi, an American police car, and a sheriff car. That's crazy.
Why do you care so much about cars?
Why?
Yes.
My hobby, especially the off-road, it took me to the nice places, desert and open places and empty places, no people there.
And in addition to 3,000 cars, he also has one plane.
If you love something